How to set up custom domain in Vercel. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can set up custom domain in Vercel. The first thing you want to do is log into Vercel dashboard. Now select the project you want to connect your custom domain to. After that, go to settings tab, then click on domains. Now tap add. Enter your custom domain name like website.com and click continue. Vercel will now ask you to verify ownership if you bought the domain through a third-party app. Head over there, update the DNS settings. You'll need to add an A record or C name depending on the setup Vercel shows. Once the DNS changes are done, come back to Vercel and it will automatically detect the domain. After a few minutes, your domain will go live with HTTPS enabled by default. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.